Challenging trading day. Our stock indexes have been on a nice streak lately. This reversal today, affected our results, and so we were down on the day minus about 4K on the 200K portfolio, and minus about 1.9K on the 50K. So the 50K is down, and the 200K is down also. So down day, stock indexes struggled. They've been our strength, and the 50K has been at equity peaks recently. The portfolio that we're trading in the 200K, the new portfolio setup is at equity peaks, even though the real trading is still in a drawdown from a previous portfolio setup. So let's go over the trades on the day. You see the market. I thought this rally was unwarranted and misrepresentative of the market. Just lots of liquidity, creating price distortion that should not be there. I thought the market should be. I thought the market should have sold off yesterday further instead of doing this, and then sold off further today, but instead it did this because of the extra liquidity in the market. And so it distorted the prices. You see the advanced decline line was very weak all day. The S&P rallied, the NASDAQ rallied on a weak advanced decline line, and the ticks were weak, and then they got weaker at the end of the day as the weakness accelerated. The VIX was higher in that upper range where the market was yesterday, but yet the market still rallied. It wanted to take out, the NASDAQ took out the all-time highs yesterday, intraday, and sold off, and then it took out the all-time highs, yesterday's all-time highs once again and sold off. It just wants to keep going up every day, but that's not representative where this market should be, I believe. And so we had a sell-off and a reversal today after the market was run up to new highs with the liquidity in the market. And so let's look at the trades on the day. I want to start with crude swing. I want to look at bonds because I want to look at bonds, show you the big run up, and it's actually Cobra crude. So huge run up in bonds, and so low interest rates are bullish for the market, but a massive run up like this is cause for concern. I would say something's happening. I don't know. It could be just a technical rally. The market is sold off, but oftentimes when bad things happen, the bond market rallies. So so bonds were up, interest rates were down, crude oil sold off. So initially it looked like a day where, hey, inflation is at bay now, we can rally, but we'll see. We'll see. So let's go over the rest of the trades on the day. We'll start with some of our new strategies that we're researching. Cobra crude, we're just looking at the Cobra crude strategy. It's had 3 losses in a row, I believe, 1, 2, 3. Could be a good time to start that strategy. And then let's look at gold reversal. It's on its 3rd loss in a row. Could be a good time to start that strategy. Crude swing. This hit its profit target the other day. It's flat right now. We have these other markets that show trades, but we're only mainly tracking the ones with the indicator in this new research. Let's go over to the ES strategies. ES on the day. SR counter trends have been on a roll, but we bought this. It bought this dip, and the dip did not bounce today. So the dip didn't bounce today. SR counter trend 2V21M minus 575 still in the trade, minus 462.50 still in the trade, minus 575. This one is stopped out, and SR counter trend 2 minus 825. Tick count trend minus 425. 60-minute breakout minus 337.50. Cobra 3 did get the trade right. Plus 1137.50 on the Cobra 3, the profit target version, plus 575. Adaptive moving average minus 662.50. Night trader minus 1075. Came near its profit target. This market has just been run up too much, in my opinion, and it's extreme run up. Let's look at ES2. Night trader VSD minus 1075, tick fader plus 375, VSD long only minus 975. A lot of trades today in the ES. Gap continuation had a lot of trades as well. 3 losses on gap continuation 2020. It's one of our top strategies. It's made recent equity peaks. It's had a nice run, has a tight stop loss, and it lost 3 times today, minus 975. So we cut our losses, but we have a low percentage of winners, and we had that loss today on that. Let's look at not a lot of trades on the on this NQ workspace. NQ2 60-minute breakout plus 950, 60-minute breakout B plus 2950, PR breakout minus 650, tick wave minus 825, VSD long only plus 1115, VSD long short plus 1110, EVP1 getting tossed around here at the end of the day minus 1795, gap continuation big stop loss minus 725, Viper 2008 plus 775, crude oil, nice trades in crude oil, Esther counter trend 3 A and B plus 475 on the day. Natural gas, look at natural gas moving higher, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. You should be on the December contract. Gold, we didn't trade any gold today in the 200K or 50K portfolio, but EVP2 minus 525, and all these other trades were from previous days. So silver, we didn't trade any silver today, no trades. Copper, we traded this one minus 212.50. Here's some of the new strategies: minus 200, minus 425, and plus 1,075 on copper short. Copper pulling back. Euro currency plus 156.25. Soybeans, we didn't have any trades today in soybeans. And here are the optional, and here are the old. And so we've been on quite the run lately. And last few days we're having a drawdown today. We were doing okay. We're actually up on the day, and then this end of day sell-off, this rollover at the end of the day hit us, and so we are down on the day. Like I said, we're down about minus 1.9K on the 50K portfolio. After we hit equity peaks here on Monday, and then we were down minus 1K yesterday. So we're right at a 3K drawdown nearly. So this is a drawdown alert, 50K portfolio drawdown alert. And we're down about 4K in the 200K portfolio, the new version that we're trading. It's been mostly up lately since we switched. We've reduced our gold exposure, and the stock index has been hot, but today the stock indexes were choppy. So those are the trades on the day for Wednesday, October the 27th, 2021. 2 trading days left in the month of October.